I normally say this to our people from Mulima. This is not Mulima war because it seems you are also pretending. The first thing we want you to do for all your political leaders who have been appointed to the government to first resign. Yes. Only those who are elected to remain inside there to tell us how bad this government is. But don't tell us that this government is unfit for all of us and your people are being appointed in the same government. Point number 2. I also advise the people of Mulima to choose the type of war they want to fight. They cannot fight two wars at the same time. Fighting Raila Odinga in AUC seat and fighting William Samoei Ruto. You must tell us the kind of war you want.
That's a good advice to us.
Last point. Last point. Unajua sasa hiyo ukicriticize government, you do it wisely. Celestia was just right that the systems are not working. Giving bonus in one-day event does not mean that something has been going on well. Why was it done yesterday after 2 years? We need a working nation. You tell us even after sisi watu wa lake utatupea bonus. Why do you bring investors from Italy to invade our lake basins and lake region to do fishing instead of the locals? Locals are supposed to be trained to work with those facilities without working under hard conditions, earning a very little amount of money per day. That is something we don't want. We want a working nation. The SHA is not functioning. We don't need vaccination of the livestock. We don't need
You have livestock.
poor education funding model. Mr. President, you went to school when there was boom. And